Let's go to the supermarket.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh. Hey, I'm ready. Let's go.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Bakalım. Hi. Adriana. Bakalım.
Okay. Hi, Batman.
Hi Ali. Bakalım.
Okay.
Nope. Nope.
Are you ready?
We are ready to go to supermarket.
Let's go to supermarket.
No, no, no. Are you okay?
Always buckle up seatbelt.
Oh, you see, this is why you need to buckle up for these injuries to not happen. Safety first.
Oh, now I understand. Okay.
Let's go to supermarket. Yay!
Oh, yes. Guys, you need to be respectful and polite to customers and, of course, each other.
Okay, sorry.
Oi. What?
Sorry.
Guys, running in the store is forbidden. You can bump into anyone.
Yes. What?
Don't touch fruits or vegetables with your bare hands. You need to always use gloves.
Sorry, I understand.
Always be careful around glass jars. They break very easily. Sorry.
We need something for breakfast.
Oh, cornflakes.
Oh my god.
Stop. Be careful. You can drop goods and ruin them.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
What?
Don't be loud in the store. Always use your indoor voice.
Okay. Look what I found.
Ah. Uh-oh. Wow! Hey, stop. You cannot open or play with items without permission. Sorry.
What?
Spider-Man. We don't need that much.
Oh, okay.
Stop. Always return unwanted products to their proper shelves.
Okay.
What?
Guys, you shouldn't eat too many sweets. You should eat healthy to maintain and increase your superpower. For example, vegetables and fruits. They're very healthy and they're right over there.
Okay.
Hi, welcome. always be patient in line and respect each other.
Sorry.
Basketball? Wow! I want to play basketball. Can I play?
No, Ali. I will play alone.
Huh? No? I'm going to teach you a lesson.
Oh, what happened?
What?
I'm a balloon now.
You transform into a balloon. Boing, boing, boing.
Turn me back. Turn me back.
Huh? Should I turn you back?
Turn me back. Turn me
Are you
back.
going to play with me?
Okay, I understand. I will play with you.
Okay, I'll transform you back.
Ali, come. Let's play together.
Hulk, I want to play with you.
No, Ali.
Huh? Ooh, cool. Aha.
Oh, I'm a balloon now.
Now you're a balloon. It's because you didn't share.
Ali, turn me back. Turn me back. How am I going to play games?
I'm going to turn you back if you share with me.
Okay, I understand. I will play with you. Ali, turn me back. Turn me back.
Huh? You'll play with me? Okay, I'll turn you back.
Okay, thank you, Ali. Come to play with me.
Better than you. Rafaela, are you cooking? Yes, I am cooking. Me too. Huh? No, no. Please, Rafaela. No, I want alone. Oh. Okay. What happened? Huh? Huh? Adriana, did you do this? Okay, Adriana, I understand. I will cook with you. Please turn me back. Turn me back. Thank you, Adriana. Let's cook it. Thank you, Adriana, for listening. Thank you. Hey, Batman! Can I drive your car?
I don't like sharing my stuff.
Huh? You don't want to share?
No, this is my car. Okay? No.
Okay, I'll give you a lesson. Here is your lesson.
What's that?
You're a balloon.
Ali, did you do this?
Yes, it's me. I did it.
Turn me back. Turn me back.
Huh? You're going to share from now on?
Okay, I will share with you.
Okay, I will turn you back.
Oh, thank you. From now on, I will share it with friends. Ali, come. Hi Ali. Hi Adriana.
Hi.
First row, fasten your seatbelts.
Okay.
Let's go for the next film. Welcome, Spider-Man.
Hi, Ali. Hi, Adriana.
Uh-oh.
Vampirina is late.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Hi, Vampirina. Don't be late.
Sorry. Vampirina, come.
No. One person, one seat.
Hello.
Let's go for the next step. Hi. Food is not allowed on the bus. Okay. All students in the bus. Let's go. Guys, let's play. Who did it? Don't disrupt the driver.
Okay.
Stop. Don't play in the bus.
Okay.
Guys, be quiet in the bus.
Okay.
No. Don't open the windows in the bus.
Oh.
Sit down, please. Do not fall in the bus.
Uh-oh. Ooh, I have new toys!
What?
Oh. Oh yeah!
Don't throw trash in the bus.
Oops, sorry, I will clean. Sorry.
I see the girl. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Ali,
What?
don't forget your belonging in the cabin.
Oh, I forgot my backpack. Have a nice day.
Hi, class.
Hi, teacher.
Where are the other students?
What?
We have no idea.
Don't be late anymore.
Okay.
What?
Hey, class. Today have a test.
Okay.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Spider-Man, go back to your seat.
Okay.
Adriana. Great. Hey. Ali. Good job. Hey. Vampirina. All wrong. F.
Nope.
F minus. Guys, today class finish. Today we have a party.
Wow!
Vampirina, would you like to come?
I want to party as well.
Vampirina, Spider-Man, tomorrow you will have
last chance.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, class.
Show them, show them. It was the best party ever. Show them.
Stop. Do they have new test?
Oh.
Vampirina, Spider-Man, do you remember?
Oh, yes. I'm finished.
What are you doing, Spider-Man? Give me this test. Bad job. F minus.
Oh.
Bad job. F minus. Today, I will call your parents. Oh no! Ali, good job. A plus. Adriana, great. A plus. Today, class is finished. See you tomorrow.
Come. Sit down.
What happened?
Your teacher just called me. You have bad grades at school. All your stuff.
When will you give it back?
You need to raise your score at school.
Our parents took everything from us. We have nothing. I just have a notebook and a pen.
I know. Guys, we will help you.
Really?
Yeah.
Good morning, class. Today, we have a new test. Okay, let's start. Adriana, A plus. Ali, A plus. Let's look. Vampirina, Spider-Man. A plus. Good job. A plus. Good job.
Kids, knowledge is the most important thing in school.
Class, very nice job. Bye bye.